Trying to use ChatGPT, but it's not responding, loading forever, or just stuck? Yeah, that can be frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix ChatGPT when it stops working so you can get back to using it normally. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi drops or slows down, ChatGPT may stop loading responses. Try refreshing the page or opening another website to confirm your connection works. Sometimes ChatGPT just needs a quick reload. Refresh the page once, wait a few seconds, and see if the response appears. If it still isn't responding, the issue might not be on your side. Check the official server status page to see if there's downtime or maintenance happening. Next, try logging out of your account and signing back in. This can fix session errors that stop messages from sending. Old browser data can sometimes block ChatGPT from working properly. Clear your cache and cookies, then reload the site and try again. If the issue continues, switch to another browser or device. For example, try opening ChatGPT in a different browser or even on your phone. If it works there, the problem is likely your original browser. Browser extensions or VPNs can also block ChatGPT from responding. Temporarily disable them and reload the page to test. If ChatGPT freezes after you send a message, the prompt might be too long. Try sending a shorter message or breaking it into smaller parts. And that's it. One of these fixes usually gets ChatGPT responding again within minutes. If none of them work, the issue is most likely temporary, so just try again later.